She watches, and as she looks beneath the surface, she sees herself. And as she expands out, down through the layers of the dirt and the earth, she senses others there. She senses others that are different to her. Some are food, and some just are. Each small piece and each small particle involved in her existence in some way. She's seeking more. She's seeking to understand more of herself and more of her experience, while her friends gather all around her, fighting amongst themselves, fighting in the name of survival. A survival for what? Coming together, blending together in a collective, in unity, in form, in substance, to create, to manifest dreams together, dreams of oneness, dreams of wholeness. Yet still there is fighting. And as she glides through the different frequency layers, the different feelings of the energy, as she transcends and moves through and beyond, a life that she can understand, a life that she dreams, a life that makes everything make sense, finally. And as she returns humbly to look back into the water, to see this reflection of light staring back at her through the layers of the dirt and the other life forms, trying to make sense of the bigger picture, of her involvement in the bigger picture, trying to make sense, trying to seek a purpose, and trying to bring forth her best self into this place here and now. And so her challenge continues.